Hey everybody, my name is Matt Rogers. I'm a solution engineer here at 8x8. I work on the CPaaS side of the 8x8 business. So I work with customers across our portfolio of APIs for messaging channels such as SMS, WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger, etc. I also work on some of our other APIs as well, like for voice and video. Today, I'm going to run through a short demonstration on how you can use some of our tools and APIs to help you with some of your use cases like payment reminders. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we'll get started. Okay, hopefully everyone can see my screen. You'll have to forgive looking at the side of my face as it's on a different screen, so I have to be looking over this way temporarily. So now we're in our Connect portal. I'm going to skip through not talking about Connect specifically today. I'm conscious of time to get through everything on time for everybody. So I'm going to go straight into using our demo. What I'm going to show you here is using our campaign manager or our sender tool to show how you can use 8x8 CPaaS tools to really easily send out like a blast payment reminder, for example. Now, everything I show you here can also be done by API, but I'm going to run this with the GUI tool just to show you how nice and easy it is. So we're going to pick our channel here, first of all, and I'm going to pick our sub account. Now I have a choice of who I'm actually going to send this information to. So I can either type in a single mobile number, I can add contacts from a contact group, or I can upload a file. In this instance, I'm going to upload a CSV file. So I'm just going to drag that over there like that. And you'll see that it will bring in all the different columns of data from that CSV. So what this enables us to do now is to create some variables so that when we send out these SMS, it's still tailored with unique information for each person that's going to receive it. So let's just make some variables here. One called account that matches up the account number, and we'll pick first name, and we'll pick the mobile number, and then we'll create one more variable in the end called amount. Here we go. And then I'm going to process those contacts. Okay, this screen just gives us a quick summary of everything so far. So it's identified the labels we've matched for our data. It's identified how many people I'm sending to, what countries I'm sending to, and then we can move on to composing the message. So on this screen, you can either manually compose the message or you can do a template. So the best way to handle these kind of recurring use cases like payment reminders is to use a template. So this is one I've created ahead of time, specifically for payment reminders. So I'm going to select this template here. And then you can see it loads everything in. So it's already loaded in the number I'm sending from, etc. And it's loaded in all the content that I want to send out in this reminder. Now on the right side now, you can see it's added all these variables into my contacts. So first name, account, amount, for example. It's also given me how many SMS I'm going to send. So I can see that this is a long message. It's more than 160 characters. So I'm actually going to send 2 messages. And then when I'm happy with everything on here, I can click through to get ready to send it. So this is the final screen before actually sending the message out. Here I can either schedule this to go at a later date. So if I want to schedule it to go out once a week or twice a week at a specific date and time, I can select the date and time here, even with a specific time zone if that's relevant. I'm going to select to send it now, so obviously so you guys can see it arrive on my phone. And then before we send it, down the right-hand side, there's a little preview of what you're going to see and what's going to happen. So here's my messaging channel. I'm just sending to one person. Here is the preview. I'm sending 2 SMS because it's 2 parts, remember, because it was a long message, even though it'll be received as a single message by my phone. The estimated cost, and I'm going to process it now. So let's just hit submit. And there's the message has arrived. So here you can see that it's pulled out that data from my CSV. So rather than, hi first name, as you saw in the template, you can see, hi Sebastian, looks like you've missed your last payment for account. Here's the number, here's the specific amount. So it's created a unique message specifically for that person that you're trying to reach. But yet you can do it in an extremely easy way and reach tens of thousands of people very, very quickly.